Hi everyone, today I am giving you 4 text animation for free. This is a project file you can get from my website. Link is in description. When you change to 30 frame per second or 24 per second, automatically change this also because in this project I don't have manual keyframe. All was modifier. That's why. In here you can see in a Fusion page you have a tools and here is a modifier. You just need to change time scale of another curve of modifier 1 word offset xy path 1. Don't change anything from here. All was linked to this modifier. That's why we should to change only this. If I change to 4, then automatically change here also. If I change this to elastic, then automatically all will be elastic. You can change in your style, but I will clicking a default.